Hello and thank you for watching. In this short video, I'm going to go over the notes and the fingering for a D-flat major scale, 1 octave hands together. So the first thing I want to mention is that this is one of 3 enharmonic scales, and what that means is there's 2 scales that actually start on the same key. One is named C sharp and one is named D flat. This video will cover the D flat major scale. There will be a separate video for the C sharp major scale, but they sound and feel exactly the same. The only difference is how they look on paper and how they are spelled, so to speak. So we're going to start first by figuring out which notes are in the D flat scale. And so if you look above on your solfège formula there, you'll see do is going to be D flat. So do to re is a whole step. We're skipping this key right here. D flat to E flat, re to mi, another whole step, so that's a black key to white key whole step, skipping that key. E flat to F, mi to fa, half step, F to G flat, fa to so, whole step, G flat to A flat, so to la, another whole step, A flat to B flat, la to T, whole step, skipping this white key right here, and finally T to do, another half step. So our notes for the scale are D flat, E flat, F, G flat, A flat, B flat, C, D flat. So it's a 5 flat scale. So the way I like to lock in the fingering for scales is to use a technique called clumping, which means we're going to play the notes together that come in between where the thumb crosses under or fingers cross over in the other direction. So we're not going to start with the thumb on a black key. Makes a bad angle for the hand. We're going to start with finger 2 and 3. So we're going to have a clump to start, do and re, and then thumb's going to come under, play F or mi. Then we have a clump, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to end on 2. 4, 3, 2, 3, 2. Let's do that one more time. So clump, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2. Now one at a time. Thumb comes under, thumb under, finger 4, and cross with 3. Left hand, same thing. We're going to clump to begin with fingers 3 and 2. You'll notice in this scale, it's kind of convenient because fingers 2 and 3 are in the group of 2 black keys, and fingers 2, 3, and 4 are on the group of 3 black keys. So as the left hand clumps, we're going to have 3, 2, then thumb, 4, 3, 2, thumb. We'll cross with 3. You could also cross with 2 if you wanted to, if you're at the end of the scale. It's good practice to cross with the finger that would be crossing if you had more than one scale. 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. Now one at a time. Cross with 4. Cross with 3. Cross under 4. Now, to put the hands together, we're going to use a rhythmic technique of short and long to lock in the crossovers and crossunders. This one is actually pretty easy to get hands together because the thumbs are the only fingers that are playing on the white keys. So nevertheless, we'll just do the rhythmic technique just for good practice. So we're going to start with 3 on do, 2 on do. Here we go. So we're going to do short, long rhythms. What's next? Right hand, thumb under, left hand, finger 4 crossing over. And we got a rhythm. Right hand, thumb under, left hand, finger 3 coming over. And then we're going to come back down. Finger 4 crosses in the right hand. What's next? Thumb's going to cross under finger 4 in the left hand. What's next? Finger 3 in the right hand. Let's do that one at a time. Thank you for watching this short video on how to play a D-flat major 1-octave scale on the piano. I hope that you found it helpful, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel for more videos on piano technique. Thanks again for watching.